In today's video, I'll show you how to make a monday.com board shareable so you can collaborate seamlessly with team members or external partners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, open your Monday Coaching account and navigate to the board you want to make shareable. This is where all your tasks and projects are organized. And making it shareable allows more contributors to join in, whether they're internal team members or external collaborators. Next, look at the top right corner for the 3 horizontal dots, also known as the More Actions menu. Click it, then select Settings. This is where you can modify important aspects of your board, including its shareability status. Inside Settings, find Change Board Type. Monday.com offers different board types: private, main, or shareable. For this tutorial, click Change to Shareable. This will allow people outside your immediate team, such as freelancers or clients, to access the board. After selecting Shareable, you'll be asked whether you want to invite item assignees. Items are tasks already assigned to team members. Inviting them ensures everyone already assigned gets smooth access and stays in the loop. Decide based on who needs visibility. Finally, click Change Board to Shareable to confirm your board is now officially shareable, opening the door for enhanced collaboration and smoother work with external contributors. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly expand your team's collaboration horizon and make project management more effective. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating with your newly shareable Monday Shock on board.